Goeiedag, hierdie video gaan dan oor die graad 11 landboutegnologie se pad, die grade 11 agricultural technology pad. Hierdie seksie is dan nou net oor hoe jy te werk moet gaan om jou pad dokument te voltooi. I've placed a PDF on the group for each of you to look at. The printed matter will remain in class. Die gedrukte pad bly in die klas en al jou skryfwerk is met jou hand gedoen. Prentjies kan jy print op die grootte wat hulle moet wees en jy kan dit saambring en inplak. Jy sal begin deur jou naam te skryf in jou klas, dat op jou homeroom, jou voogklas. This year we are building a toolbox. Right, the content is all about what you must do, your design and your materials list, tools and equipment, safety and of course your final product. Jy kry punte vir 3 aanhangsels en ek sal daarna kyk aan die einde. If you're Afrikaans, you will complete the Afrikaans verklaring van egtheid. If you're English, you'll do the right-hand side declaration of authenticity. Kom ons kyk gou. You're required to construct a toolbox for your small hand tools. The box must not exceed 300 by 200 by 150 millimeters, must be lockable and have a carry handle. The main material must be steel. You're going to 1. Complete a research assignment. 2. Design 2 options and add 2 features of your own. Complete the other requirements and construct a toolbox using a given design. This will not be the design. This is just an example of what the kind of detail is that you should have in your design drawings. Jy gaan dan nou vervolg kyk na hoe gaan jy jou informasie bekom. As jy kunsmatige intelligensie gebruik, moet KI vir jou oorspronklike bronne gee. So you cannot have research without giving us your sources. And ChatGPT is not a source. It is just a pipeline of finding information. That goes for any other AI you may use. Die eerste punt wat jy gaan doen is, jy gaan vir my oor soorte, plaat, metaal, types of plate, metal plate, and I need 3 different examples. So 1, you're going to give me the type of plate, give us information about it, and a picture. 2, another type of metal plate, could be another type of size, another type of thickness, another type of composition, that's up to you, with an example picture. And 3, your final selection of metal plate and a picture, and here you're going to put in your sources wherever you get the information. The same method is followed in the following topics. The next one you're going to be doing is types of hinges. There are many different types of hinges. I need to know its name, its description and use, and a picture of it. 3 different examples. Onthou om jou bronne aan die einde te sit, sodat ons kan sien waar jy die informasie gekry. Ek sê weer, ChatGPT is nie 'n bron nie. It's only a pipeline through which you find information. Types of handles, soorte handvatsel, en dit sal dan wees jou volgende onderwerp, waarop jy vir ons inligting moet kry. You're welcome to find this information, do your searches, and bring the information to school. You will, however, write on these lines and stick in your pictures in there. No typed papers will be accepted. Slegs geskrewe. As jy Afrikaans is, moet jy vir my in Afrikaans skryf. If you're in English, you write English. Please, stick to the rules. Volgende topic. Soorte sluitmechanismes, types of locking mechanisms. And of course, this relates to toolboxes. So what are the different methods you can use to lock your toolbox? 3 examples of each. Corrosion is a problem because it's a metal box. I want 3 methods of corrosion protection that is available out there. 1, again, a name, a description of it, and a example picture of it. 3 different ones, followed by a source. Now that you've done that, you will do a concept design for me that comes into your portfolio. I'm giving you a template. Die sjabloon wat ek aan jou gee is 'n gids oor wat ek alles wil hê. Konsepontwerp nommer 1 moet 'n voor, bo en 'n linker aansig het. Ons gebruik eerstehoekse ortografiese projeksie. Watse materiale en goeders gaan jy als gebruik? Sluit jou skarniere en dinge in. Watse kleur gaan hy wees? En die spesiale eienskappe. Gee ook vir my sy lengte, breedte en hoogte. Length, breadth and height, that's the dimensions of this design. I want you to do 2 different designs. That's why there's a concept design 1 en dan ook 'n konsepontwerp nommer 2. Hulle kan soortgelyk wees, maar hulle kan nie identies wees nie. Here will be the consumable items you will use en hierdie het meer te doen met jou werklike pad. Wanneer ons dan begin om jou pad te bou, sal jy hierdie lys aanvul. Watse materiaal gebruik jy? Waarom gebruik jy dit? En hoeveel daarvan het jy gebruik? What is the material you're using? Why am I using it? And how much am I using it? Say for instance, I want to wash my brush with thinners. I'll have thinners over here. Maybe I use 1 cup and that is to clean the brush. And I used 1 cup to clean the brush and thinners. Tools and equipment. Again, this list will grow as you finish your project. And here you'll have to tell me what is the equipment that you are using and why you have used that equipment. Veiligheid is altyd baie belangrik. Ek wil hê jy moet soos wat jy werk, moet jy altyd weet daar is sekere risiko's. In a workshop it's a dangerous environment and there are different risks, hazards. You must handle those risks correctly. Sometimes there is safety equipment involved. For instance, when using a saw, there's a cutting risk using a saw. The correct handling of it is to place your workpiece in a workbench, use the saw correctly. What will be the safety equipment that I use with a saw? Well, safety goggles is one that I will use with a handsaw, and that you can apply to different scenarios. In this space here, when we are finished, I'm going to ask you to write me a conclusion of what your experience was in this pad and did you enjoy it or not. The following pages are very important. I need to see pictures of your final product. Met ander woorde, jou finale produk moet hier getoon word. These pages here are crucial for you to take note of, because this is where I do the assessment. 25% will be your portfolio, 50% your manufacturing process, 25% will be the quality of your product. How good does your toolbox look? This counts out of 100. This 100 marks counts 25% towards your promotion at the end of the year. Maak seker dat jy kyk na al die kriteria wat op 5-punt skala vir jou gegee word. So met ander woorde, as jy sê generate ideas en jy het geen idees nie, dan gee ek jou 0, want you have made no attempt and no evidence to be assessed as found. As jy net een ideetjie gee, moet jy dink jy gaan 5 punte kry. So met ander woorde, as jy wil 5 punte hê, you're going to have to generate an excellent variety of alternatives and innovative ideas. The preferred option is well justified with clear links to the design. Net so gaan elkeen van hierdie goedes gaan vir jou 'n moontlike antwoord uit 5 uitgee en daarvolgens sal ek dan vir jou punte toeken. Daar's 'n hele spul van hierdie en hulle gebruik ek aan die einde van die dag om jou dokument te merk. Well guys, that is the pad en ek hoop julle gaan hom geniet. Hierdie is nou die portfolio gedeelte. Tot volgende keer. Arrivari.